I know.
Father, 2 years, you're my mentor, you're my father, you're God forever.
So you are just coming. Okay. You said you arrived on the 19th.
Many people love you, adore you.
tí wọ́n yẹn ó máa lè létà ṣùgbọ́n ó máa bí ìgbà téèyàn mú mi gbóná ló ṣe.
By the way,
Finally, you arrived. The Lord.
kábíyèsí sá
ẹ mọ̀ ṣe no problem.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sá àti airport náà la mo ti gbọ́dọ̀ bí ṣe gbé bọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ náà pé so ọ̀nà yẹn gbogbo everything stress tó ti ń bá bọ̀ láti bí ijọ́ mẹ́ta.
way younger than the photos that I see.
Is that?
Yes.
I thank Shana. Thank Òbatala for that.
Imperial Majesty Madani ELHAM, yes, from Canada, Vancouver, is here to appreciate your divine grace. Rwanda di Kábíyèsí, Obalesun Òbatala Agbaye, Ọba Dada, Obalesun Òbatala Agbaye, Àrólé Òbatala Agbaye. We are here to honor the divine grace at the temple, the supreme temple of the Òbatala Agbaye. And during the festival of Òbatala, meaning is a special time that you are visiting Ife. This period is a period whereby God in His infinite mercy has arrived in Ife, whereby His mercy we have all come far and wide to appreciate and adore God in the glory through Majesty Obalesun. Your Majesty is a special honor to present the medallion that I would like to ask you to carry on with the honor that which you have come to deliver. Our Father, divine grace, Obalesun Òbatala. Majesty,
To my dear father, Obalesun, we love you. And during these 2 years, my father was with me in any step of my life, in the bitterness, in the happiness. He is a true father, and I asked him to adopt me as his own daughter, and he accepted. There is nothing in the world I can say that you haven't done for me. You took me on the highest level that you could. Father, it's my honor to give you this beautiful medallion that is nothing compared to your inner soul as the beauty. And may this bring you more glory. This bring you more children spiritual children, more devotees. And we love Òbatala devotees, we love Òbatala Temple, we belong to the kingdom of Òbatala. And ELHAM is our own roots, the city, is home. I'm happy to represent you and I want you to be their journey.
I know.
May I? So you're gonna have my face in the middle too.
So you can just sit down here.
Yes,
Just sit down here.
on behalf of the world of Òbatala Holy Temple, on behalf of all Òbatala devotees in the world, I accept this medal and I promise to keep on promoting Majesty.
So this medallion is from the Empire of Madani. That is also an organization for advancing the peace and humanity and unity through the connection of the royal and spiritual and humanitarians in the world. And the headquarters is in the Empress Madani's palace in Canada. So we would love to have more Òbatala people come to the palace for spiritual routine, and they are open for ceremonies, and we invite you to come royally to our palace very soon. Yes.
I have to present the 2022 Òbatala brochure of events, itineraries of events to you on behalf of World Òbatala Temple and on behalf of Òbatala Committee, Festival Committee 2022. The Royal Majesty. Chief.
Yeah.
When it comes to the father and daughter, there is no shyness. He is my father.
Thank you.
So I am the chair lady of the Òbatala Festival 2022, and I appreciate also King Solomon that invited me, started to have a good movement, and we honor him a medallion tonight. And I really appreciate my guide here, and he did his best of the best, Dotun Bar Hassan, Barista Hassan, and he's an amazing ambassador to us, and also King Solomon. And we have the prince also, he's one of my prince. So they are Madanis. What is Madanis? They are Madanis. You have Òbatala, we have Madanis connected together. So we will honor them also.
I will not hesitate to reveal very big title. What title I give to you? As the Empress Òbatala Agbaye.
Wow.
No, I was before. 3 years ago.
That's what now you have now been confirmed.
Thank you, Father. Thank
So
you so much.
in the same vein, Majesty would like to present the award to Oba Abuja, the medallion of honor.
In Solomon.
Can you just make the presentation once? It's going to be of
I don't want you to forget it.
No, I don't forget. You are a true brother, and we admire your works, and you really did your best during these 3 days staying in ELHAM. God bless you, and we hope that to see more success in your family, in your organization and everything and the step you are doing for the youth. And for sure, World Cinema Academy is going to be a good partner with your works and Empire of Madani's, people of Madani. God bless you. God bless you. Now, our precious King Solomon that everybody is asking, who is the King Solomon? We have only one King Solomon. I said, no, we have another King Solomon. God bless you. Your art is amazing. I am really amazed with whatever you are doing. You are a genius. You are amazing brother to many people, polite, very genuine, and we wish you the best for your family, your daughter, through the World Cinema Academy, and hope to see you brighter for everything, especially for Madanis. God bless you. God bless you.
Òbatala, Epa Òrìṣà, Ìyálò, Ìwàmáàmì,
Prince of the Prince of the Prince. Prince, you have a golden heart. And I'm so pleased to see you in person to discover who you are. Through the social media, because you're so busy, we couldn't discover how sweetheart you are, how amazing and dedicated you are, how forcefully you move forward and make the things done perfect time, non-stop. You are like me. So I really, really adore you. I understand your hard work. And I'm happy that many of people are here because Empire of Madani is really working for advancing the media. And we accept to be partner with your organization through the Canadian Association. God bless you, and be on your position for Madanis as you promised. God bless you, Prince. He's officially Prince of Madani.
Thank you. With this singular program, we would like to appreciate His divine grace for this special opportunity. Everyone that is we are able to
Aje Festival.
We are most grateful on behalf of the House of Madani. Especially, we are using this opportunity to appreciate His Imperial Majesty. We call him the Arole Odudu Olofi Adebola. His Imperial Majesty Ooni of Ife or Jaja II, for granting His auspicious love for all mankind to celebrate God, because Òbatala Festival is the highest festival in ELHAM Madani. Represents the black heritage, and this year's edition, you can see, with all the difficulties, the Spirit was able to lead you right, arrive at the right time. The 2022, you arrived peacefully and you met Kabisi. And we are most grateful that you will return back to your destination in peace, and all your journey of your life will be for good, for love, for care. On behalf of the Òbatala Temple, because I'm also part of this temple, and as the legal advisor to the temple, we appreciate you. We welcome you with love. Be free as the Elimes of Òbatala Agbaye.
My father, many people don't know the meaning of Yeye Meso. Would you please tell the meaning to the audience that are watching us now?
So that is the Yeye that knows how to dress well for. Wow. And you being, let me say, being the most beautiful woman in the world. and foreigners. So that's why I made the image of Òbatala Agbaye to dress to people's satisfaction. Your beauty is maintained to people's satisfaction. And greatness is our water.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God give you more bright and light and joy in your life, and wealth and the health. Thank you, Father.
Wow.
That's nice.
And you want the appointment in Canada, come. That'll be good.